Unlock lightning fast and secure payments with your Lloyds contactless card. Let's dive in. Contactless payments are revolutionizing how we shop, making every transaction quicker and simpler. If you've got a Lloyds bank card with the distinctive contactless wave symbol, you're already set up for this fantastic feature. The magic lies in this little symbol. It means your card contains secure near-field communication technology, or NFC, which allows it to communicate wirelessly with payment terminals. When you're at the checkout, look for this symbol on the payment machine. It's usually near the card reader. Once the payment terminal indicates it's ready for contactless, simply hold your Lloyds card a few centimeters away from the reader. You don't need to insert it or swipe it. A gentle tap is all it takes. Your card and the terminal communicate securely for a moment. This technology is designed with your security in mind, making it incredibly difficult for anyone to skim your card details. You'll typically hear a beep or see a green light on the terminal, signifying that your payment has been approved. For smaller purchases, you usually won't even need to enter a PIN. This makes buying your morning coffee, that quick snack, or even your train ticket a breeze. It's all about speed, convenience, and keeping your transactions smooth and secure. So next time you're out and about, remember the power of the tap with your Lloyds contactless card. Enjoy the ease of quick, secure, and effortless payments.